Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new and casually came across this video, welcome as well. I hope you find this video useful enough to press the subscribe button down below and hit me with a thumbs up if you like this video. As you may have heard, breakfast is the most important meal of the day. So if you want to stay healthy but want a quick and easy way to do so, you should keep watching. So we're going to start off with a cup of almond milk, and I use Almond Breeze Almond milk. If for whatever reason I run out of this, I just use water. You can definitely use regular milk, but I just don't use it because I don't like milk. And to this I add Wyman's of Maine tropical berry with coconut fruit blend, and I usually add 2 cups of this. This mix comes with pineapples, strawberries, mangoes, and coconuts. I love this blend because 1, it tastes so good, and 2, I literally feel like I get transported to a nice sandy beach on a tropical island somewhere. This brand does have other flavored blends, but this one is by far my favorite. And I just want to say that it's super easy and super convenient if you're short on time and don't want to worry about having to cut up fruits yourself or having to decide what to put in the blender in the morning. Next, I add in some collagen, and I use Sports Research Collagen Peptide Powder. Personally, I buy the 32-ounce bottle, which is this one, because I go through it really quickly. I absolutely love this powder for a few reasons. I have seen a huge difference in my hair, nails, and overall skin. I love the fact that the powder is tasteless in my smoothies, pastas, sauces, and everything else I put in it. FYI, this also has 10 grams of protein, so if you're looking for natural energy, this is it. Last but not least, I switch off between the Jada leaf green tea matcha powder and a non-GMO spirulina powder. The matcha green tea powder is rich in antioxidants, gives your metabolism a boost, and is a great source of energy and mental clarity. Now, the spirulina is a blue-green algae that is rich in protein, beta-carotenes, calcium, iron, essential amino acids, and other vitamins. Either of these 2 powders are the perfect cherry on top to any smoothie. As you can see, this is half a teaspoon of the Jada leaf green tea matcha powder, which I will be using in my smoothie today. This is amazing because all you have to do in the morning is roll out of bed, throw these ingredients together in the blender, and you're ready to go. Breakfast is served. Now, I'm going to go enjoy my smoothie. See you next time.